Decisions, decisions, decisions. What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Gottem POV. Yeah, you saw the thumbnail. I have a big decision I need to make. So, I've been debating it for a while, and it might happen. So, yeah, it might happen. But anyway, let's enjoy this ride for right now. Let's enjoy Gottem POV, and because that's might be the last time you see it. So yeah. Alright, so I recently returned from Panama, had an awesome time, had an experience that I've never in my life experienced before. An earthquake hit. Unfortunately, I don't have any of that footage because I was in bed at the time that it hit. I was actually on the 15th floor of a 30-floor high-rise building. I've been up all night. I was there on business, so I was taking some sleep aid to help me sleep. And before I actually could fall asleep, you know, I had my earbuds in, listening to some music, waiting to that right moment before I can doze off, because I always like to say my prayers and be one with God before, you know, I retire for the night. So I was in the process of waiting for the sleep aid to help me sleep kick in. Then all of a sudden, the whole room starts spinning, start rocking back and forward, and it didn't stop. I said, oh my God, did I take too much sleep aid? Hey, I think I took too much sleep aid. This building is moving back and forth and it's not stopping. It went on for about 3 minutes and then it stopped. And then it started again. I said, oh my God, oh my God. So I started trying to focus on one thing, and I was focusing on the ensuite bathroom door. And I could see that it was actually moving back and forth, like it was opening and closing. I said, so is it me? Is it me? So I immediately went outside of my bedroom door, and as soon as I went out, my sister-in-law came out, my nephew came out, her son came out, and she was asking me, did you feel that? Did you feel that? And I say, I thought it was me. I thought I took too much sleep aid. I was about to call you for help. And she said, no, I heard this loud booming, booming. Then all of a sudden the building started shaking. I said, do you guys experience, because she lives there in Panama. I said, you guys experience earthquakes here? She said, not directly here, but we sometimes would get it somewhere else and feel it, but not that hard. And she asked me, should we leave the building? I said, yes, grab your documents, because hopefully you would keep them in one place, and let's go. So we did. We grabbed all our documents, which I had mine in my backpack because I'm, you know, visiting, so all my documents were still in my backpack. Grabbed it. She was about to take the elevator. I said, no, we're taking the stairs. So we went 15 floors down because we didn't know. We get down, we met with this is a luxurious high-rise condo. Went down to the security area and we asked the guard if he felt, he said he thought it was just him. So we started researching, and sure enough, it was a 6.6 magnitude earthquake that took place in Colombia, but had an effect on Colombia and Panama. So once we found out that it was an earthquake and it affected Colombia and Panama, we decided to go back up. hopefully the building is structurally sound. I'm no longer there now. I'm back in the States, but hopefully my sister-in-law make sure that they inspect that building, make sure it's structurally sound, because like I say, it's a 30-story high-rise and it shook the whole entire building. Something had to like come loose on that building, but we were all safe, and there was a few aftershocks after that. And the condo is right on the beach. I think I have some photos of the balcony. I actually posted a reel one time of me on the balcony showing the beach, and I'll try and put that in the video right now too as well, to show you what it's like. I didn't get any photos or video after the earthquake, but the shore was really far back when before the earthquake took place. But after the earthquake took place, all the water now in the shore was closer to the pool area and the hotel, because as you may know, earthquakes can cause tsunamis, and so it pushed a lot of the water up front. But again, we're all safe, and I made it back home. But that's where we at. So now let's get back into this video. As you can see in the thumbnail. Yeah. Is this the end for Gottem POV? I've been debating. So I decided to say yes. It's the end. I still got a decision to make after that though, so what I'm gonna do, I love it, so I just don't know what to do, but well, I made the decision. So all right, stay tuned. Your boy Gottem POV. Like and subscribe, follow me please. Hit that notification bell to be reminded of new video content. See you when I see you. Peace. Whoa, wait. I can't leave you guys hanging like that. Let me explain. When I say this is the end, I'm only talking about this lettering right here. Gottem POV. You thought it was the end of the channel? No way. Only that letter. Look at this. Look at this. Some more carbon pieces, baby. It's gonna fit right in there, and it's gonna go over, of course, as it fit inside the fairings. More carbon pieces. So what I was debating, should I put the Gottem POV on the outside of it or just leave it like this? But then it doesn't advertise my Instagram. But you guys follow me, right? But that's what I was debating. And of course, the same side, I should say, I'm sorry, the other side, the exact same thing. It's just gonna be on that side, covering Gottem POV. That's the only thing that's disappearing on the channel. Maybe, unless I put Gottem POV there. So that's what I was talking about. It's not the end of the channel. I got a lot of content for you guys, so stay tuned, and I will show you what it looked like after I install it in the next video. Your boy Gottem POV. Follow, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
My big dog walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my shit.